G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is June 29, 2023. This is the US Canadian dollar currency update. We've got our weekly in a bearish mode, our daily in a bullish, so avoid taking any trades on the lower time frames. But we've also got this target hit on our divergence and since our last video, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So on the weekly, first off, we've got our triple moving average of the price chart, the moving average of the CCI, and our multiple moving average oscillator are all turning down, giving us this bearish signal on the weekly. However, notice we've had a bit of a retrace to the upside and our daily indicator showing bullish, but we also had a bullish divergence on the CCI versus a bearish divergence on the price chart between those wicks. So that was a little I suppose confirmation of this support as well, the 131.39 support level, and it's turned up from there. So let's look at the hourly more closely. You can see there we had a bullish divergence on the CCI previously versus a bearish on the price, and we drew a channel, and once it broke above that channel, on our last video, that would have been your entry point, and we set a target between a 50% and 78% Fibonacci retracement of that wider range. And you can see there in the last few hours ago it hit the target and it's leveling off now. So target hit, successful trade. So that's divergence is in isolation to the weekly daily trend. We don't worry about the weekly daily trend for that. In terms of the weekly daily trend, we've got to make sure the weekly and daily are aligned as well as the hourly before we take any backtest trading using one of the strategies we've covered in the past. And that just shows you some profitability on that in that example. If I zoom out, there's a short backtest there and a long backtest. Again, we don't use stop losses, but to avoid those averaging down, we again must trade in the direction of the weekly and daily when they're aligned. So at the moment, don't trade any programming or any strategy until you see these weekly and daily and hourly indicators align. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page where we've also got other scans of weekly stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.